welcome back to my channel. It's Stella's recipe. It is already so cold in early December. You must be looking for a warm stew that could warm up your body. So today I'm gonna make a dumpling stew. If you love dumplings, you should keep an eye on today's video. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let's make a broth first. Put 5 grams of kelp and 10 grams of Dipori in a pack. Dipori is a dried fish that is used to make a broth. If you don't have a Dipori, you can substitute them with an anchovy or you can use kelp alone. The reason why I'm using this broth pack is to make a clear broth. It prevents broth from getting dirt. Then pour 6 cups of water inside a pot. Put a broth pack and boil this for 15 minutes in a medium heat. Then take out the broth pack and leave the broth on the side. Cut 1 onion into half and slice them. Slice 1 green pumpkin and cut them again to look like a half moon. Cut the bottom part of mushroom and tear them out using hands. Slice 1 tofu into 1 cm wide. Cut them into half. Cut 400 grams of kimchi into bite. I used kimchi which is more than 1 year old. You could use a brand new kimchi, but if you use an older one, you can make a better broth. Then let's make a seasoning. Put 3 spoons of soy sauce. Put 1 spoon of ground garlic. Put 3 spoons of chili powder. Mix them all together using a spoon. When all the ingredients are ready, it is time to organize them inside a pot. We're gonna use 5 kinds of ingredients, so divide the pot into 5 parts. Then place each ingredient in each place. I'll put tofu first, onion, green pumpkin, mushroom, and kimchi. Last but not least, I'll put dumpling in the middle. If this is done, put them into a stove and pour broth that we made before. Put a seasoning that we made before. Boil this for 15 minutes. Wow, it is almost done. Put a sliced red chili and green chili on top. Close the lid and boil this again for 5 more minutes. Warm up your body with this spicy dumpling stew. Have a nice winter! So, did you enjoy today's video? Then please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!